Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend milker indicator to do my analysis right here. Okay, so this had been on downtrend for a while. This is where we started milking it from, and of course it kept on selling till it got to this particular support region. So it has not been able to break out from here, so it's trying to switch the trend into an uptrend. However, if this does not break out below this support region, then definitely it's going to buy. So this is giving us more buying opportunity right now, most especially once it breaks out above this particular spot. Okay, so it's going to buy more at that particular time. Okay, but if it does not and it goes back to the support zone and it breaks out below this support region, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very, very important. So for now, it is more of a buying than a selling opportunity. The only reason why it will not buy is if it breaks out below the support zone. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999, and this also had been on downtrend right from here. We milked it till it got to this particular spot. Okay, and it is still selling right now. And of course, guys, if it breaks out below this particular support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back into an uptrend and it will buy more. So this is still selling until it is unable to break out below this support zone. So the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. So guys, this is PayNext 1200, and this had been on downtrend after getting to this resistance zone. It sold till it got to this region, then went back up, and right now it is selling right now. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity. We expect it to get to this region first, and if it breaks out from there, then it should get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is PayNext 999. Just like I said in the morning, that if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's going to buy more. And as you can see, it broke out above it, and check it out. It has gotten to this region. So this is more of an uptrend than you can see. It had been on uptrend for long, guys. It had been on uptrend for long. So this is still buying right now. Okay, so next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and of course right here I analyzed this in the morning, and just the way I did my analysis, you can see that it is still selling right now. Okay, so entry point, stop loss, TP 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the 4 TPs have been achieved, is heading towards the 5th TP right now. So this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Congratulations to those of you that took advantage of that particular trade. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share it with friends and family. Watch out for my next video. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.